curiosity just is dead in the eye of time. Nobody is losing. Faces merchant change, but your face remains the same. The swallows will be here by dawn. When we're finally sober, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt.
So that was actually filmed about 3 weeks ago, and yeah, I'm trying to film everything a little bit earlier so that I can schedule a video and get a video out every Friday. So that's what I'm aiming for. Hopefully that'll happen. Yeah, but since all that was filmed, it's actually dried out here a hell of a lot. All the mats have dried out, including the path. And I've moved the electric fence that was all the way down there so that they could have that area. And I've moved it over here so that I can protect this bit of land here and just let that grass recover a little bit. I don't think we're going to have to lift the patio area. I don't think those mats are going to need re-levelling or anything because they're fine. But the path, yeah, the path is a little bit higgledy-piggledy. As you can see, it all sort of goes a little bit up at the edges and down at other edges, and it's not very flat. So yeah, I do think I'm going to have to take that up. But what I'm going to show you first is how Simon and Bruce fixed the rails that Hope had broken on our main paddock area around the caravan.
That one off. That's very good. That one's alright. Look at that, sheared it straight off. There you go. Does it fit? You know the idea of that hammer was, it's called a pin hammer, okay? And what you do is you've got a little staple in between your fingers. See? You can hit in between your fingers without bashing your fingers. So you start it off like that, then you turn it around and knock it in.
Oh.
Did you bring a nail with you?
Did I?
Staple. Can't get to it now, can you?
Well, I can't use it. Staple. Placing.
You've got to give me the stuff to use. I need the pliers as well. You're not going to bash my fingers, are you?
Well, I can't because you're using that.
No, I don't know. It depends how bad your aim is. Is your aim really bad? Hold on.
No.
Wait.
I like that one more.
Go down here like I did and you can hit it straight on then. Kneel there, crouch there. Bruce. Whoa. Do you want me to start it and you can finish it off?
Yeah. Oh, I like that.
Watch how I do it.
We don't do much different.
I'm pushing it up a little bit so go on, you can finish it off. See if you can get it in straight the rest of the way. Get down a bit so you can, your arms below. Yay! Go on, try again. See how I was getting lower and knocking it upwards?
Yeah, but I'm small.
Well, it's easier for you.
So why can't I stand up?
So you're still hitting downwards, you need to hit upwards. So, that'll do. Just knock it in so it doesn't fall out. It'll do the job.
So they really did do a great job, didn't they? And that's another thing ticked off that Hope has dismantled that we've had to fix. Do you know what? If she didn't break so many things, then I reckon a lot more would get done around here. But, well, that's the joy of having a heavy cob. Another thing that Simon and Bruce did was filled in the big holes that are at the side of the stable. That, well, they've been there since we first got here and, well, they needed filling in. So they got on with that too. And this is how they did it. It's lap larch, isn't it?
No. Can't remember now.
Can't remember what it's called.
It is
I think
shiplap, yeah, feather edges.
Shiplap. Shiplap. Thick on that side, thin on that side. You can see that. And it is to replace this section here that is missing. And this little square that's just behind Dream. It's actually something that Hope didn't break. They were just never there in the first place. And, well, if you've been watching our vlogs for a while, then you'll know that Bruce has done a few little like and subscribe things through them. Haven't you, Bruce?
Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay tuned for other videos.
What, we're going to pull these nails out with the hammer or the black
I know.
bar? Which one? Okay.
I love this thing. This is my favourite toy you've got.
That your favourite tool?
And I forgot to use it.
I don't know whether it is. We are going to be able to use it.
What?
Oh.
Oh.
Where did it go, Bruce?
Somewhere around.
That's your job. You have to get the magnet. You have to drag it through the dirt.
Oh God.
It is strong. There it is.
They're all 17 inches. How many do we need?
One. I think 6 on that one. A bit too short. Kind of bit.
It matches the one underneath, doesn't it? All a bit skinny.
I think the bottom, look, the bottom, because it was straight originally,
Yeah.
is butted up, and then the top isn't, because the whole thing's on a
I'm just
wonk.
going to try and
Do it as straight as possible.
Why did that say my name? Hi, Bobby.
look.
Oh no.
That's all we've got.
Can't put a tiny piece on.
You keep your window open because the wood wasn't quite long enough.
Well, what a difference that makes. Little things, you know, for the cost of, I think it was £4 for that one board, and it's done all that and made that look so much neater. So that's amazing. Right, I'm going to have a go at getting these mats up now, see if that's possible. And until next time, bye-bye.